This 2024 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1821 FBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, skylight, awning, LP detector, external shower, TV, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, spare tire kit, oven, auxiliary battery, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1821 FBS is 4,086 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.